In this video, we will look at the most useful JavaScript methods. Firstly on the list, we've got concat. With concat, we can concatenate two arrays into one. So here I'm going to join these two arrays into one. Let's check the console log as well. And you can see that we successfully joined both arrays with concat method. Slice method. With slice method, we can copy a portion from an array to a new one. To use it, we need to give it a start and an end index. Basically, we're telling the method where we want to start copying or what we want to copy from the array and where to end the copying. This will not affect the existing array, it will just copy the selected to a new array. The push method. With the push method, we can add elements to the end of an array. So here we have an array called numbers that goes from 1 to 9. Now with the push method, we can add a new element to the end. Let's add the number 10 to the end of the array with the push method. We can add more, so let's add 11 as well. Instead of calling the push method again, we can add a new parameter to the existing push method. Pop method will remove the last item from an array. So as you can see, it removes the last item from an array. If we call the method multiple times, we can remove multiple elements from an array. Shift method is the same as the pop method, but instead of removing the last element from an array, it removes the first element. Let's try it. With the unshift method, we can add a new item to the beginning of an array. Let's add 0 to the numbers array. We can add multiple items. And let's add strawberry to the fruits array. And now we've got forEach method. With the forEach method, we can call a function for each element of an array. So here I'm creating a function to sum all the values in an array. And let's call this function in the forEach method. And let's check the console log. Here is our summed values. And now lastly we have the reverse method. With reverse method we can reverse the order of elements in an array. Let's try it. We have an array with numbers from 1 to 10. And when we use the reverse method on this array, it will change the order to 10 to 1. We can use the reverse method on strings as well. Let's try this too. So that's all for this video. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe for more videos like this one.